To withdraw funds from SafePal, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have the SafePal application installed on your device and that you are logged into your account. Next, navigate to the Wallet section of the application where you will see a list of all your available assets. Select the specific asset you wish to withdraw, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click on it to access the Asset Details page. On the Asset Details page, you will see several options, including Send, Receive, and Withdraw. Click on the Withdraw option to initiate the withdrawal process. You will then be prompted to enter the withdrawal address where you want to send your funds. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending your funds to the wrong location. If you are withdrawing to another wallet, you can scan the QR code or manually enter the address. After entering the withdrawal address, you will need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. You can choose to withdraw the maximum amount available or enter a custom amount. Once you have entered the withdrawal address and amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. You will see the withdrawal amount, the network fee, and the estimated arrival time. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction to initiate the withdrawal process. The transaction will then be broadcast to the blockchain network for verification. Please note that withdrawal times and fees may vary depending on the asset and network congestion. It is also important to keep in mind that some assets may have a minimum withdrawal amount or require a specific number of confirmations before the funds are available in the recipient wallet. To ensure a smooth withdrawal process, make sure your SafePal wallet is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. Additionally, always double-check the withdrawal address and amount to avoid any errors. By following these steps, you can safely and securely withdraw your funds from SafePal. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions to protect your assets.